You don't need to open up your Linux PC to understand the hardware inside it. Thanks to a great little Linux tool called HardInfo, you can find out every detail about your PC's innards and hardware. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier, and this is the best hardware monitor for Linux. When your Linux computer starts having issues and you need to troubleshoot it, the first thing you need to do is find out the hardware information of your computer. Instead of having to disassemble it and look at each part individually, you can make use of HardInfo, a small and easy to use application to display information about every hardware aspect of your computer. Installation. You can find HardInfo in your Distribution Software Center or Package Manager. On Ubuntu Software Center, its alternate name is System Profiler and Benchmark. Install it as usual by clicking on it and then the Install button. Alternatively, you can install it from the terminal with sudo apt install HardInfo. Summary and operating system details. When you run it for the first time, HardInfo will show up with its Computer Summary Information page, pre-selected. Here you can see the most important information about your PC. Under Operating System, you can see the Linux distribution you're using and its version. CPU will tell you the exact model of your processor, its speed in gigahertz, number of cores, and the number of threads for each core if your CPU supports multi-threading. RAM will present you with your amount of available memory in kilobytes. Motherboard shows you the model and chipset of the motherboard in your computer, and under Graphics you can see the active resolution, make and model of your GPU. Storage will list all your installed storage devices where your operating system and other files reside. Finally, under Printers and Audio, you'll find any printers connected to your PC, if available, as well as its audio subsystem. System details. Going down the options on the left-hand pane by selecting Operating System, you can see more details about your installed OS. From everything listed, two of the most important parts to note are Kernel, which tells you the name and version of the current kernel running on your system, and Computer Name shows the host name other PCs will recognize as your computer in a local network. CPU and memory details. To get more information about your CPU, choose Devices and Processor. Here you'll be able to see not only the overall speed of your CPU, but also each core in it as well as the amount of available cache. By selecting Memory right underneath, you can see the total amount of memory installed in your computer, as in the summary page, as well as how much of it is free, mem-free, and the amount available for your applications, mem-available. If available, since it depends on your operating system settings, you can also see the amount of virtual memory available in the system next to the Swap Total field. This refers to a chunk of your storage devices that your operating system uses as a slower extension of your actual RAM. GPU storage and network details. To find out more about your graphics card or GPU and any other similar expansion cards connected to your motherboard, pay a visit to the PCI Devices section. You'll see a graphics card listed as VGA compatible controller. Click on the entry and you'll see more information about it on the bottom half of the window, such as the exact model, the amount of onboard memory, and so on. To get more information about your storage devices and the controllers they're connected to, select Storage. Although in our instance you can only see a few hard drives, you might have many more in your PC and other types of storage devices as well. Click on each one of them and the bottom half of the window will update with more information about them. To learn more about your network or internet connection, choose Network and you'll see a list of all the network devices available on your computer, as well as the amount of data sent, received, and each one's IP address. As before, by clicking on each one of them you can get more information like the type of interface and the internet protocol used. Benchmarking. HardInfo also comes with a collection of benchmarks that allow you to check your PC's performance. You can find them grouped under the heading Benchmarks. Most of them will test your CPU speed in different tasks, but there's also an elementary GPU test, GPU drawing, that can give you a very rough idea about its speed. Generate report. Since it's not easy remembering everything, HardInfo allows you to generate a report about your hardware. Click on the Generate Report button on its toolbar. We suggest you select it, keep all options enabled to generate a report, and save it somewhere safe, like a USB flash drive, for when you need it in future. If the reason you want to check your hardware is because you're already facing a problem, like your display getting corrupted and garbled after a while, you may want to stress test your GPU to check if it's to blame. If your computer is generally feeling slow, you may want to benchmark your storage devices to make sure they are performing as they should. Are you using another approach to check out hardware configurations? Do you prefer a different utility that you consider to be better? Tell us why in the comments section below. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.